Ever wondered why things seem to cost more and more as years go by? That's inflation. It's an economic process where the general prices of goods and services steadily increase. In simple terms, it means your money buys less than it used to, reducing its purchasing power. Imagine, years ago, a stick man could buy a big, delicious loaf of bread for just $1. Today, with that very same dollar, he might only be able to afford a much smaller piece, or even less. This loss of value is what we mean when we say inflation reduces your money's buying power. What causes this phenomenon? One major reason is high consumer demand. When many people want to buy an item, but there isn't enough supply, sellers raise prices. Another significant cause is when there's simply too much money circulating in the economy. So, how does inflation impact you directly? Firstly, your hard-earned savings lose value over time. Also, if your wages don't increase to match rising prices, your real income actually goes down. However, for those with fixed-rate debts, inflation can actually make loans easier to pay off over time. It's a complex economic factor. Some individuals and groups may benefit, while others will lose. How can you protect your money from inflation's effects? Smart investing can be a powerful tool. Assets like stocks, real estate, or even commodities often grow in value faster than inflation erodes it. Furthermore, smart budgeting, careful financial planning, and managing your spending are always key. Ultimately, understanding inflation helps you make more informed and smarter financial choices for your future. Stay educated, make wise decisions, and keep your money working hard for you.